Welcome back to Happy Mommy Makeup. So I want to start a new series called Wheel of ColourPop. I have many ColourPop palettes that I don't use, and I often struggle like which ones to choose from. I figured I would put the palettes in a wheel, let the wheel choose for me, and create some looks with it. I'm also going to have Google randomly pick 4 numbers based on the amount of shades are in the palette to help choose what shades to create with. I want to try to branch out and experiment a little bit more. I normally tend to do the same kind of looks or gravitate to the same colors, so I figured having Google help me, I will be able to create new looks and do something fun. So let's get started. So I have 33 ColourPop palettes and they're all in this wheel. So out of these 33 palettes, let's see which one is going to be our first video in this series. And go. Oh, Beach Dreamin'. Okay, so Beach Dreamin' is the first palette that we're gonna use. There are 12 shades. I'm gonna start, this would be 1 and then this would be 12, so it's going this way. So I'm gonna ask Google to choose 4 different colors and we're gonna create a look. Hey Google, choose a number 1 through 12.
8.
Choose a number 1 through 12.
11.
Choose a number 1 through 12.
10.
Choose a number 1 through 12.
4.
So the first one was 8. We have Fluffy. 11 is Cutest Alien. 10 is No Bad Days, and 4 is Goodness Level. I'm gonna prime my eyes and then we're gonna get started. Okay, this is gonna be fun. I'm excited. I'm really excited for this. All right, let's add these babies up here. Beach Dreamin' is the first one, which will be funny because Skylin will very much enjoy that I'm using her ColourPop. Okay, and with these shades, so I had Google choose 3 different shades, or I'm sorry, I had Google choose 4 different shades, but I'm not going to use those shades like in order that Google said it. I'm just having it choose 4 shades and then create a look with the 4 shades that it chooses. I'm going to use Goodness Level all over my lid to start with. So I'm gonna bring it up a little bit, kind of in my crease, and fluff it out. Now I'm gonna take Fluffy, and I'm gonna start on the outer corner. I'm gonna bring it in a little bit. Okay, I'm gonna take Cuteness Alien on my finger. I'm gonna apply it in the middle. Take that second brush that I used Fluffy with, and I'm just gonna blend that a little bit. I'm gonna take a little more Fluffy and deepen those corners a little bit. Do I want No Bad Days on the inner corner, kind of bleeding into Cutest Alien, or do I want to do it on the bottom lash line? I think I want to do it in the middle, right here, and then go in. But that kind of doesn't. I don't know if that'll look cute though. But that's the whole point of the series, is to try something new. So that's what I want to do. That's what I'm gonna do. No Bad Days. I'm gonna start here in the inner corner and kind of bleed it into Cutest Alien, and we'll see how it looks. It might be cute, it might not be. Kind of take it into the inner corner a little bit too. Okay, that doesn't look too bad. Something new and fun, and something I wouldn't normally like do. I'm gonna go off camera and do the rest of my makeup, and then we'll come back and finish the lower lash line and finish the eyes. So I'll be right back. Alright, I am back with the rest of my face makeup on. I'm gonna finish the eyes now. Okay. I'm gonna take Goodness Level and run it along my lower lash line. I'm going to take Fluffy and put it on the outer corner using the same brush. Now I'm going to take Cutest Alien and put it in the middle. So it's kind of like matching, the top lid's matching the bottom lash line. So basically doing the same thing. And I'm doing the same thing with No Bad Days. But I'm gonna take No Bad Days and go like in the inner corner and kind of tie it back into the shade on the lid. Alright, that's the end of the palette. I need to add some mascara and eyeliner, so let's do that real quick. Now, do I want to go like a darker purple? Or a lighter purple to really match that fluffy shade? I'm gonna go with this one. This is the cream gel liner in the shade Visuals. Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara and the Maybelline Sky High. I really like that combo. So I'm gonna try it again. I just need to apply a lip now. Since I use the Beach Dream and eyeshadow palette, I also use the Lilo & Stitch highlighter and blush. And I'm going to use a little gloss from Lilo & Stitch as well. Alright, this is the look I created with Beach Dreamin' using the Wheel of ColourPop Wheel of Names generator and Google picking my shades. I had a lot of fun doing this. I very much enjoyed it. It took all the decision making out of my hands besides creating the look. I very much enjoyed having Google choose the colors for me because it gets me out of my comfort zone and mixes colors together that I probably wouldn't normally mix. I really think the look I created is so adorable. So I really had so much fun. If you enjoyed this new series, hit that like button, give me a comment down below and let me know what you think. I can't wait to make more. So yeah, I think that's it. Until next time, bye!